here we are, live from our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. Hello, with?
Tanya McCurley.
Hi, and I'm Dr. Bergman. Okay, now, Tanya, well, you came down here. What'd you come down originally for?
For you, to see you. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you saw me in Huntington Beach. Why'd you come down here?
We live in San Diego, so this is a lot closer for us.
Okay.
So we were going to Huntington Beach because we were kind of nervous to cross over the border. But I actually have a friend that her parents live in Mexico. So she made it really easy for us. She helped us out, got us our paperwork and all that kind of stuff. So.
What paperwork do you need?
Well, my passport was expired.
Okay. So
yeah.
If you have a regular passport, because in America, okay, and even on the road signs, limited travel, be careful, but go to Mexico and everything else.
Right.
They're trying to do a fear crazy thing. Did you have any trouble once you had your passport to come across the border?
No, actually, it was super easy. Like just getting in here, you just drove right through. I thought it was going to be a big ordeal, but it wasn't.
I know.
Yeah.
I tell people that, and they'll go, "No, it can't be that easy."
Yeah.
But it is that.
And that's
easy.
what my friend told me too, and I was like, I don't know, but she comes here like 3 times a week.
Yeah, when I first brought my wife and her best friend over, we walked through. Okay.
Yeah, and we've done that
And
many times.
and they never check your passport or anything when we were walking through pre-COVID.
Oh.
And they have their passport out, and I go, "Who do we show it to?" And I'm, "Nobody.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
keep going. You're okay."
Yeah.
I know. Okay, so now, have you done any other work down here, like IVs or dental or any of the other stuff?
I got the x-rays and I got the dental cleaning, and that was great. And I just found out like what's going on in my mouth just today. And so I'm going to take care of that.
Did we do a thermography up in Huntington
Yeah,
Beach?
and that's why I did the dental, because there was some drainage like going down, so I'm kind of nervous.
Oh,
but they said they can take care of it.
They will. And the cool thing is the Huggins protocol, and that's what we do down here, they do it correctly. I mean, every procedure, this is kind of weird. By law, the dentists down here have to give you an antibiotic and a pain reliever. But using the Huggins protocol, you're going to have a vitamin C IV during the whole thing.
Oh,
So I've had 8 mercury fillings, an extraction that I did when I was in high school, and I took it out myself with a nail. I had that thing fixed. Hey, when you have no money, okay.
Yeah, I feel you.
Self-dentistry is not recommended.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
When you got no friggin' money, okay, and you're 19 in school, okay, But he fixed that thing, and that was messed up for like 20 years. But I never needed a pain reliever, or never an antibiotic, or never anything. I mean,
Yeah.
It's just fantastic. Yeah, and
Great.
now, what would you tell people that, because I know when they say, "You're going to Mexico," they almost want to give you a black armband or a Biden shirt so you can get back. What would you recommend or tell people if they're afraid to come down?
Afraid for what reason?
I don't know. What
Because
do you think?
I was told that all the COVID cases are coming from Mexico and they're so dirty, da 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 da. That's not true, because they take way more precaution here, I'm finding, than we do in the States.
Mhm.
Like with the cleaning of the feet, they want to take your temperature, wash your hands, or sanitize your hands the second you get into the building. So I find that really comforting.
Yeah,
Like,
and at each entrance, there's a temperature checker and everything else. If you're hit with a temperature checker, do the back of your hand, don't get the laser beam in the forehead.
oh,
Yeah, and I do it too. I don't, the Purell and stuff, it's toxic to your skin. Yeah, so what you do is you pass your hand rapidly underneath it, and the stuff will hit the floor, and then you don't need to worry about it. So the precautions are nice, okay, just, the non-toxic therapies that are designed to limit the spread of some infection, that's cool, but the toxic stuff, don't do.
right.
Now, what else would they be afraid of to come down here for?
I don't know. Maybe the food. I think the food's good. We have tacos when we come down here. It's delicious.
Hey, have you tried Prana across the street?
No?
Organic food, cold-pressed organic juices delivered while you're having the IVs.
What?
Honest to God. Uber Eats and I think DoorDash, I think is down here, but Uber Eats is here.
Wow.
Yeah. Talk to Sarah. She's a foodie.
All right.
Okay, now anybody that's thinking about coming down, what would you recommend? Have you gotten any of the IVs yet?
Not here. I haven't. I had IVs in the past at other places, but I haven't gotten them here. I'm getting one next week.
I know your brother's all jazzed because we just did a blood cell analysis on him.
Yeah, and he's getting one right now.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. And what's neat is we'll do a live blood cell analysis, do a set of IVs, And then like a week, 2 weeks, maybe a month, we'll get another blood cell analysis on him and check and see the differences. So using the objective analysis, like the objective analysis of the thermography, when you get all this gunk taken care of, bitchin', man, we're gonna do another thermography and see. You know, we look at the blood analysis, do another one and see. So it's not that, gee, I feel better. Let's actually see the infrastructure to see if you are better. Okay, do you have anything that you want to say to anybody? Come on down. And I'm talking, okay, figure the average person, I'm 61.
Okay.
Average person 61 is taking 12 prescriptions. Okay, you're like late 20s, okay? The average person...
You're sweet.
The average person, okay, early 30s, okay. They're doing like antidepressants, they're doing other things. They're doing things that aren't really conducive to the health, but they're stuck in the cyclic medical system that drug therapy, that's nuts. Okay, what would you tell people?
Well, I was on some medications and I recently got off of them. I was on an immune suppressant because of some autoimmune diseases, and just going to alternative therapy, including you, has helped me to get off of at least that one. So that's exciting for me.
That's totally cool.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I mean, this series is called, of course, the person with the flashcard's gone, so I got to actually remember.
Of course.
Real people with real challenges and real successes. Okay, so.
I would say one other thing.
Yeah.
My husband that I originally came to you for, he was walking with a cane, completely hunched over, and now he's walking without a cane and upright. So you do good work.
And plus, he's a bitchin' guy. He's cool. I like him. Okay, thank you. Okay,
welcome.
get down there. If you got a problem, find the solution. Do not take something to cover it up. And remember, your body's made in the image and likeness of God, and you're designed to live here.